Hello everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe, and please press the bell icon for more video updates. Today I'm going to share with you a very healthy oats pancake recipe. This pancake is a perfect make-ahead breakfast option. For this recipe, you will need oats flour. Grind oats in a blender to make oats flour at home. You will also need grated apple, mashed banana, raisins soaked in water, milk, 2 eggs, and chia seeds. Let's get started now. Pour milk in a large mixing bowl, add in all the ingredients and mix very well. I'm not adding any sugar in this recipe, but if you want, you can add stevia or honey. So it's up to you. You can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. Heat a pan, add oil of your choice, and spread it evenly. Drizzle little oil on the pancake and then flip. Add more milk if needed because oats and chia seeds absorb liquid. The pancakes are ready now. Store leftover batter in the fridge to use another day. Make extra pancakes and store it in the fridge for busy mornings. Drizzle some honey over the pancakes if you want and enjoy it with your favorite fruit. So there you go, healthy and tasty pancakes are ready now. You can enjoy these pancakes for breakfast or any time of the day. If you're watching your weight, then these pancakes make a great substitute for desserts. So that's it for today. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next time. Take care. Bye-bye.